Hey guys, and welcome back to an isolation version of Cooking for the Missus. Today's video we're making a beautiful shepherd's pie. Really simple ingredients go into making this recipe. Most of the stuff you've probably got lying around, with the exception of the lamb mince, probably. Start off with, you want to get yourself about 7 or 8 Morris Piper potatoes. I'm just going to shove them into a 180 degree oven for about an hour, hour and a half, so they get nice and fluffy on the inside. What you want to do then is get yourself 500 grams of lamb mince. Remember, this is a shepherd's pie, not a cottage pie, so we're using lamb mince and not beef mince. 1 grated carrot goes in, followed by 1 grated onion and 2 grated cloves of garlic. Give those a good mix together. Then we're going to add 1 nice handful, a good pinch of fresh rosemary, a nice handful of frozen garden peas, and a really good glug of tomato puree. Season that with some salt and some pepper. Salt and pepper. And then a really good glug of Worcestershire sauce. Let that cook off for about 5 or 6 minutes so that the sauce is completely gone. Then what you want to do is add a really big glass of red wine. It's going to look like you're putting way too much in, but it's going to cook for about 10-15 minutes, so it reduces right the way down so that it completely disappears. But this part is really crucial. It tastes absolutely delicious, gives it a really good depth of flavour. Once that's bubbled away, we're going to add about a pint and a half of chicken stock. And then we're going to do the same thing again, where we're literally going to just wait, let it reduce down so that it goes nice and thick and gnarly. The sauce that goes with this is absolutely delicious. It's like a really rich gravy. It tastes so nice. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes, like I say, to completely reduce down. When you get down to that texture where you've got a nice thick gravy, it's good to go. All you can do is just decant that into a nice beautiful looking dish, and then it's time to get on with the mashed potato. So about an hour and a half later, the potatoes are done. Take those out of the oven. Now what you want to do is peel each one of those and then put it through a potato ricer. If you haven't got a ricer, don't worry, just use a masher, it will work just the same, just it gets a lot finer through a ricer. Season that with a good pinch of salt, a right good twist of salt, and then you want to add some big knob of butter in there, and then some milk, or you could use cream. Keep using up butter and milk or cream until you get a nice fluffy consistency at the end. And that's what we're looking for, so we're going to spread that all over the top of the mixture. Oh, look at that. That mashed potato is literally so fluffy. What I like to use is just use the back of a fork, just smooth it all over, but at the same time the fork will leave nice little grooves where it'll get nice and black and gnarly in the oven. Get nice and crispy and taste absolutely delicious. All you can do now is just put that back into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes so that it goes nice and blackened on top. And there you go guys, simple as that, shepherd's pie. This recipe tastes absolutely delicious. If you do enjoy this video guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the family. Please stay safe, stay at home. Let's go get through this coronavirus together guys, and let's really enjoy these beautiful food recipes. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.